Hey everyone, Shauna here. Just wanted to share with you these cookies I made for a raffle fundraiser for Dump the Hate. Dump the Hate is a fundraiser organized by Janelle Lowe of the food blog My BF is GF, and the original intent of the fundraiser is for folks to make dumplings and sell them to their family and friends to raise money in a very grassroots way for AAPI charities. I did it a bit different by raffling off this cookie set, and the organization I chose to donate to is Send Chinatown Love, an organization providing COVID relief for businesses here in New York City's Chinatown. Dump the Hate started as a 3-week-long project, but is now going on indefinitely. Over $75,000 Canadian has been raised so far. If you'd like to participate in Dump the Hate, I'll put all of the information down below. At the official page for the initiative, there's dumpling recipes if you want to make some yourself and a donation tracker. There are anti-racism resources. There are some dumpling merch options if you'd like to participate in that way. I've also put some additional links down below, including a list of even more AAPI organizations that you can donate to either as a part of the Dump the Hate initiative or just to donate to outright. I also just want to add that this channel is firmly anti-racist. I am half Asian, I'm Taiwanese and Chinese, and on top of that, most of my family members on my Asian side are women. I've certainly been feeling very emotional, seeing people who look just like my family being attacked, and it's of course all made harder by the isolation of COVID and that I haven't been able to see them in a while. I thought a lot about how to say something useful about anti-Asian hate, but I think what might be better is just to link out to folks who have already done a good job of that. And instead, what I think I can do is just to continue to celebrate my culture and my family loudly and proudly. I think these cookies are a great representation of that. The soup dumplings, the xiaolongbao in particular. I'm famous within my family for, as a small child, eating the whole basket of them while everyone else was looking away. These cookies make me smile, and they remind me of all of the Taiwanese family brunches we had growing up, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, see you next week.